Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. So today we'll discuss a question from a Math Olympiad challenge. It is based on trigonometry and telescopic sum. We'll see that how we can apply this telescopic sum to find the questions very fast, answer very fast. The question is how to find the sum of the series, sum of at tangent of 1 over k square plus k plus 1 from k equals to 1 to. So from the inverse trigonometry function or arc tangent, we know that tan inverse A minus tan inverse B equals to tan inverse A minus B over 1 plus AB. Try to write this tan inverse 1 over k square plus k plus 1. This is as tan inverse. This 1 I'll convert into k plus 1 minus k, and the denominator is 1 plus k into k plus 1, so that we can write this as tan inverse is 1 minus tan inverse k. So tan inverse 1 square plus k plus 1 can be written as tan inverse k plus 1 minus tan inverse k. So now take the series or sum k equals to 1 to n tan inverse 1 by k square plus k plus 1 equals to summation k equals to 1 to n. It will be tan inverse is 1 minus tan inverse k. So start from k equals to 1, we'll go for telescopic sum. So telescopic sum and the series. So summation k equals to 0 to n tan inverse k square plus k plus 1 is same as summation of k equals to 0 to n tan inverse k plus 1 minus tan inverse k. Now putting the value k equals to 0 to 1 to so on up to n, we'll get first will be 0 plus 1, it will be tan inverse 1, sorry it is k, minus tan inverse 0. This is the first term. In the second term, when k equals to 1, it will be tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Then your tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, so on. Up to the last term will be tan inverse plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Before that, it will be certainly, here it will be tan inverse 10 and will be somewhere here in between. So all this will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. Only this tan inverse 0 will be left and tan inverse n plus 1 will be left. So the answer will be tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse 0 tan inverse 0 is 0, we know. The answer is tan inverse n plus 1. So from the telescopic sum, we can find the result very easily. The summation of k equals to 0 to n tan inverse 1 by k square plus k plus 1 equals to tan inverse n plus 1. And if it would be summation of k equals to 1 to n tan inverse 1 by k square plus k plus 1, certainly this would be tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse 1. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.